Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll talk about another HGH peptide called Ipamorelin. Ipamorelin is amino acid chain made up of 5 different amino acids, and it is known as selective growth hormone secretagogue. Ipamorelin is the first of its kind and first selective growth hormone secretagogue because it does not release all the negative hormones like cortisol, acetylcholine, prolactin and aldosterone. Ipamorelin only help you stimulate the growth hormone and avoid the stimulation of all the other negative hormones. Ipamorelin stimulates the pituitary gland and activate the receptors in pituitary gland to secrete growth hormone naturally. Some of the benefits of Ipamorelin are it increases the production of growth hormone naturally. It helps you lose weight. It accelerates the fat loss in our body, helps body burn more fat, and if exercising regularly, it accelerates the fat loss at the next level. It improves the lean muscle mass and improves your bone density, improves the body composition by lowering your percentage body fat. It increases the natural collagen production. It improves the sleep quality or gives you more rested sleep for better recovery and better repair of muscle, and it improves your overall bone strength. So if you have more question about Ipamorelin, or if you want to know if you are a candidate for Ipamorelin therapy, subscribe for more videos and give us thumbs up.